Hey guys, on today's Moment with Matt, I'm going to talk a little bit about the government's promises to support small businesses throughout this crisis. So, what they're offering currently, actually, they haven't said. What's likely to come through is some form of maybe lending support, like low cost loans or something else. And so, what I want to talk about today is how are you going to get the benefit of the government support for your small business? Well, the first thing you're going to need to have is a plan. You're going to need to have projections. So, you can't just show up to the government and say, hey, give me some money. They're going to ask you, how much do you want? For what are you going to spend it on? And how long are you going to need it for? So what is the key? What is the key to answering that question? The key to answering that question is a budget. It's a forecast for the next, 1 year at least. Do that monthly. Then do the next 3 years. You could do that annually. That would be fine. But you're going to need to answer this question. And now the other thing is that if they're going to give you a low cost loan, you're going to want to take as much of that money as you can. So you're going to want to structure your forecast, structure your budget so that you have the most chance of getting as much money as you can, which might mean making your forecast look worse than it might actually be. Do that for sure if you're going to get a low cost loan below what you normally get a loan for, because again, if it's cheap money, take it all day long. There's something else. I'm just reading this website here. Something else they've mentioned is they are likely going to provide support for businesses on some form of tax deferral, is what it looks like. I can't really tell. What that means is file your taxes, you owe a tax bill, call them up and go, hey, things are really tight. Things are pretty tough right now. Can I defer the payment of these taxes for a while? And they're likely, in this climate, they're likely going to say yes. So that number one is low cost loans. Have a forecast, have a budget, know how much you want and for how long. Then there's going to be tax deferral. Okay, so when you get your tax bill, give them a call and say, hey, I can't pay this tax bill right now. Can I please defer this? And they're likely going to say yes. That's it for today. Again, this is a Moment with Matt where I'm going to teach you how to be the best CFO you can be for your small business. Thanks, guys.